are live. This is cool. This is cool. So this is such a cool thing that we are live today. And I'm so glad. I am so glad that I'm not doing these live streams on YouTube anymore. I don't have to worry about the first 15 seconds of death on the system messing up with the audio, things being taken down every 3 seconds, having to do the thumbnails of death every time I start a video. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice not to have to deal with the YouTube and the YouTube algorithm. So, good morning, everybody. It's good to see you all here. It's good that you're here on the TikTok and not on the YouTube of Deathly Death. So anyway, what I've noticed is the people that scream the loudest. Good morning, Kyrgios, and Nels, and Jax One More, and Brandy, and Gavin. Thank you guys, user 67, and Erica Smith,